Hey, seekers of the NOMADness life, what are you guys doing? I know I haven't been on in a couple days. Want to know why? I'll show you why. I was turning Lil Cabana into a paint garage, a paint stall. So everything's in here, everything's primed or not primed, it's all prepped, ready to be painted. And we're gonna hang them so that they'll get a great spray without having to set it on a surface. We're just waiting for the 2K diamond clear coat high gloss finish to come in. And let me tell you what, it wasn't easy to order, because when you see the clear gloss clear coats for painting, those are 1K, which means they could take some dings from rocks, they can crack, they don't have UV protection. So let me tell you what, it's 2K diamond clear coat high gloss, and the number is 3680061, and they're hard to get. Even though they say they sell them at AutoZone and Walmart, they don't. You have to order this stuff. So we've ordered 3 cans of it, and we're waiting because it says in there we have to put it on when the paint is about an hour old. So we can't do anything. We've got the paint, we got the primer, and we're waiting for that clear coat to come in. It should be here anytime. Well, next week. The end of this week, I think. I have a lot of things coming in. So everything got moved out of the Lil Cabana. My dining room table and chairs is over at Yorkie Mom's in her garage. I've got the golf cart covered because we have a lot of exposed connections and I don't want it to get wet. As you see, it rained. So, I gotta protect. The canopy is right here. This is the old back seat. It's gonna get tossed in the dumpster. Because we're getting a whole new back seat that flips down, because ours didn't flip down. And I'll tell you what, man, that thing was rusted and was not even worth grinding it out. I'm gonna have a custom golf cart. When you buy a golf cart for $800, it opens up a lot of options. In case you haven't seen Mr. Tiggs in a while. Tiggsy, are you gonna say hi? Oh, you gotta get your baby? Are you gonna say hi to people? Say hi, sweetest of butter. Okay, so here's some of the stuff I got. You're gonna love it, love it. Well, these are gonna be my LED strip lights. Kind of cool. They're battery operated because the other... Wait, which ones are these? Okay, I'll just turn them on. The other ones that were on it were draining the 36 volt batteries. So I said, you know, I only run this about an hour at night when I'm cruising around. So I don't care about the double A's. So you turn them on. Look at those. These are going to go in the canopy. So we got colors. Look at that. That is so cool. That's the yellow. Pink. Blue. Green. Clear. I love these. So, I'm just going to mount these with some 3M. And yes, I am going to protect this. I'm going to put it in one of them. You know those, for your iPhone and stuff, they're waterproof? I'm going to put them in there. Alright. And then I got the reverse, forward, new joystick. Because the other one is a big knobby thing. It's really hard to work with. Then I got the new silver and black emblem. The other one was nasty. I have so much stuff coming this week. I'll show you guys as I get it. But the custom seats are coming. Everything is around the 14th. But that's what these said. And they came in one day. So we never... What's that, baby? We never can... What are they up to? We never go by delivery dates because you just don't know. It's just an estimation. But once the clear coat comes in, we can get stuff going. But let me show you all the things we got to do beforehand. Not yet, baby cakes. We're off to get paint. Here's what we're gonna do. He's gonna sand and grind all these railings today. We're gonna get these all painted, nice and shiny new. Your allergies getting to you? We gotta get some Allegra. We have to get some Allegra. Yeah, we do.
No, we don't.
I do. It's starting to sound worse than I normally sound. I cleaned the lens to the headlight, but I'll show you the rest of it. Help me, help me. It's kind of nasty. See? So, we're probably just gonna have to order a new headlight. You can't clean that. It's not mold, it's where the silver came off. Then we need to paint that.
Put some tin foil in there.
Fresh new black. Tin foil. They'll burn them bulbs out so fast. I got it covered because all these wires are exposed. The connections are, and we don't want them to get wet. So I just covered it. So many little projects, but isn't it gonna look amazing when it's done? It's gonna be so custom. Then we're gonna take and this was the back seat bottom, since we're getting a whole new back seat. We're gonna take the foam and the wood out of there and custom size it for the front seat, because I believe the front seat's a little smaller, right?
No, the front seat's bigger.
It is?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
It's wider. It's like this.
Oh crap, we can't use the foam out of there then. We gotta rebuild a new one.
Yeah, so what?
Well, because the polystyrene foam is for golf carts is something you can't get in any
Well,
market.
we'll just get regular foam.
All right. Well, high density.
We're gonna foam home.
We have a lot to do before we can even paint the body, so waiting for the clear coat. We'll have everything done. That could be the finale, is getting the body painted and put on.
Yeah, let's go.
All right, so we're gonna head to Home Depot. We have to go get some paint for that stuff. And we gotta get plastic to cover all the floor and 3 of the walls, so we can make a paint booth. Whoa! All right, guys, love you. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you soon.
We'll be back.